Alright, welcome to this presentation where I'll be walking you through how you can get started in digital marketing and also how you can get paid as a digital marketer. Before I proceed, my name is Mubarak Muhammad. I am a digital skill expert and network marketer. Today, I'm going to explain the opportunities around digital marketing for you and also how you can earn active income as a freelancer selling your digital marketing skills. As well, how you can start e-commerce digital business as a network marketer and how you can get paid in passive income. You are learning the best money-making skills and digital marketing strategies in the online space because the digital world is the escape route. We all know that the digital space is enough for everyone to earn. Just when you have the right resources, you can easily sell and make your money. Now, what organization brought this opportunity to you is Meritchoice Media Dynamo Consult. You can Google the name, search on social media platforms to know what Meritchoice is all about. At Meritchoice, we are into business development, project management, branding, digital marketing, freelancing, nutrition, wellness consultant, and human resources. We have trained over 10,000 people on this path of digital marketing and business, and we have mentored many. And today, many are already business owners, CEOs, and many run the business and independent business of their own. Now, what do we do at our organization? We will provide the targeted business education training for you as a startup. Self-mastery program. Self-mastery program is how you can develop yourself. Digital strategies and skills. These are the digital skills that you are going to learn. Marketing execution and teamwork for smooth sales process. While we have our partners, we have different partners, but our parents partner will provide the digital tools, compensation plan, marketing support, and unique products for the target market for our e-commerce digital business. Now, why are you here today? Or why are you here this morning, afternoon, or night? Whatsoever time you are watching this. We are here because Meritchoice organized free digital marketing training. Now, before I go ahead, I would like to explain a few things about digital marketing for you. Digital marketing is simply a skill or some set of skills or strategies that you can use to promote a business online. You can use to sell a business online, and you can use to build a brand online. These skills is not just one service or one skills, but it comprises of different skills coming together to form digital marketing skills. They include social media marketing, that is selling using social media. Many people have Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, but they don't know how they can use it to market their products. Many that knows how to market their products don't know how to do it professionally. Now you are going to learn how you can leverage your social media platforms to sell any business. How you can do brand awareness, brand growth, and as well how you can run ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and so on. Google marketing. Google marketing involves leveraging on Google digital tools. Google tools are many. We have Google My Business Profile, we have Google Drive, we have YouTube, that is Google products. A lot of them. How you can use Google to sell your products. Website design. Website design in the olden days involve coding. The new word website design is a no coding platforms. We call them CMS. They include WordPress, Wix, Shopify, Ecommerce, BigCommerce, a lot of them. Graphic design. Graphic design is how you can make visual designs and sell online. Video editing involves how you can edit short form videos. YouTube automation, how you can set up YouTube automation, YouTube AI automation, because this is a service that is selling in the world today. App development, how you can develop app using programming. These are the digital marketing skills that Meritchoice has come to offer for you to learn and earn from. Now, we need to know what is Meritchoice vision roadmap, because for an organization to come up with this kind of training, teaching people digital skills, guiding them to monetize the skills, there should be a roadmap behind it. Now, it says, we will teach you digital skills, guide you to monetize the skills, and show you how to earn both active and passive income with our 3 steps formula, which includes learn, work, and earn. Now, our vision roadmap is, we are going to teach you. Now, we are not just going to teach you, but also we are going to walk you by like a 5-year-old and show you how you can monetize those skills. Because I can tell you, many people knows how to design graphics. Many people know how to build websites, but they are still broke because they don't know how they can monetize the skills. Now, we are going to show you how you can get monetized on the service or the skills you have learned with our 3 steps formula, which is learn. Learn is the first stage of earning. If you don't learn, you can never earn. Work. We are not just going to teach you alone, we are going to put you into action. How you are going to get customers, clients, buyers to pay you for the service you already know. And that is what brought you the earn. Now, you might want to ask me, how are you going to earn, or what is the ways that we have provided for you to earn? Now, we have provided 2 ways for you to earn learning these digital marketing skills. The first aspect is e-commerce digital business. Now, our e-commerce digital business involves you starting up an entrepreneurship career online using all the skills you have learned to promote this entrepreneurship career online. E-commerce digital business involves selling products online, mostly physical products. Now, we have our partners that provides this product that you are going to be selling online. Our partners will provide the e-commerce website for you where you are going to be selling the product. Your job is just to use your skills as a social media marketer, as a Facebook ad expert, to direct people to the website and they buy products from there and you make your money. You are going to build passive income because this e-commerce digital business is a long-lasting transgenerational business that is going to pay you even while you have built the business. Second aspect is freelancing career, where you are going to sell these digital skills. You already know about web design, you already know about social media marketing. You use it to promote your e-commerce digital business. Now, there are businesses out there that need Facebook ad experts. There are businesses out there that need a social media manager. Now, you are going to position yourself on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork. Many know these platforms, but they don't know how to navigate them to make orders. We are going to guide you how you are going to sell your digital skills, and also how you are going to earn foreign currency with these skills, which in turn gives you active income. The platforms include Kwork, Freelancer, Upwork, Fiverr, TikTok, Instagram. TikTok, Instagram is categorized into social media platforms, but nevertheless, there are platforms where you can get people who are interested in your service if you know how it is done. Now, here are the career options available for you. You are going to learn the digital strategies and skills in the online space. which is you might have idea of learning these skills, you might have interest of learning these digital skills. We are going to teach you. Or you already know one or two digital skills. Probably you know about web design, you know about UI UX design, you know about coding, you know about social media marketing. Now we are going to teach you how you are going to become a pro in 3 months. You might know something, but if you have not mastered it, it is not going to be easy to make money with it. We are going to teach you how you are going to become a pro from newbies in 3 months. We are going to equip you with the in-depth knowledge of monetization skills. You know, someone can know a skills but lack monetization skills. You are going to get broke like that, because there is no gain when you know how to build websites but you can't get people to build those websites for. Now we are going to teach you, equip you with the in-depth knowledge of monetization skills, how you are going to sort for buyers, how you are going to close deals, how you are going to get more people to reach out to you for your service, and how you are going to get orders and earn income. We will walk you by how you are going to get hired and work in the online space, and as well we are going to help you unlock your access to network and build passive income with the e-commerce digital business. And finally, how you are going to work as a freelancer online selling your digital skills. Now, these are some of the proofs of earnings from our team members at Meritchoice Media Dynamo Consult. If you look this very well, this says Meritchoice Global Resources. That is our account. This is another one, Meritchoice Global Resources. This is sent from Israel. That is 1,139.65 Israel shekels. And that is equals to 519,000 naira in Nigeria here. This is from Ghana. This is from Nigeria here. In Nigerian client paid, you can see Meritchoice Global Resources there. This is Upwork. This is Upwork. You can see. And these are some of another earnings as well. This is Upwork again. This is another one, 270k. This is 546k. This is 75k, and so on and so forth. Now, this is the opportunity we have provided for you and how you can earn extra income selling your digital skills. There are two things on ground. First is the e-commerce digital business and freelancing career. To get started, we are going to teach you every steps you need, and we are going to teach you the digital marketing service that you are going to sell for free. Now, you ask me why this training is for free. Because this training has been sponsored by the e-commerce digital company that you are going to partner with and recommend their products online with the skills you have learned. And in the long run, you also are going to sell the product online, make profits. You are going to sell the product online. You are going to get commission from the company as well. And you are also going to sell your service as a freelancer and get paid in foreign currencies. So you have limitless ways of earning from the opportunity we have provided for you. This is going to cost you 0 naira, 100% free. 100% free. Now, what is the next thing on ground? Our trainings are physical trainings. We have our office in different states in Nigeria here. We are looking to expand our office outside the country as well. Now, your next line of action now is reach out to the person that sent you this video and tell them your interest on getting started and your state, so that you can get fixed to one of our trainings that are near you. I wish you good luck. If you have any question, you can message the person that sent you this video so as you get started. I will tell you one thing, you need to participate in your own rescue because the country is not going to pay anybody. You have to sort success for yourself. This is an opportunity that falls on your lap. Make use of it and let me at the top. See you.